Hello everyone, this is Poonam Bhatevra. I am a blogger and I am into yoga and fitness and meditation. I've been doing meditation since last 7-8 years and looking at today's scenario that how young people are taking up depression and suicide and looking at the need of the hour, I would really like to talk about how meditation and yoga has helped me improve my mental health throughout these years. It's not it never happened to me that it's like I would not deny that I have never experienced suicidal thoughts or depression or a sudden mood swing in me, but over the years I have realized this that when you meditate and when you do yoga on a everyday basis, it channelizes your energy in such a way that your aura starts becoming really really positive, and it starts giving changes in your life. It starts showing changes in your life, and slowly when you do this practice every day, after a few months suddenly you would realize that, oh, the problems you had have been suppressed, or you're living in a better shape, you're living in a better form, your mental health has it has become really nice, and you're in a peaceful environment which you were not before. So meditation gives you that. Meditation is not something where you have to sit for long hours, or you have to focus. It's not about that. It's about meditation is something where जहाँ आप 5 मिनट भी अगर अपने अंदर झांक कर बिना किसी डिस्टर्बेंस के देख सक रहे हैं, उसे मेडिटेशन कहते हैं. आपका कंसंट्रेशन आपकी ब्रीदिंग पे होना चाहिए, और आपके अंदर जो भी थॉट्स आते हो आप उसे आने दीजिए, बट जस्ट keep your concentration on your breathing and practice this every day for just 5 minutes, and you'll realize that slowly and steadily the change you will see the changes in your life very very quickly after a few months. Because what meditation do is it aligns your chakras, it aligns your auras with your subconscious mind, and it gives you that positivity you need in your life. It helps you fight your problems with grace. It does not let you go into depression or any sad state which you might experience. So I would really really suggest everybody, especially people from our age who are into 20s, and 20, people from 20 to 40s, they should really really practice meditation and yoga every day. At least your meditation should be a part of your everyday life. You can start with just 5 minutes of concentration on your breathing with no disturbance around you, and you just play a very very soft music, maybe just om chanting or something, and just try and just try and concentrate on your breathing just for 5 minutes, and do this practice every day, and I'm sure you'll see changes in yourself very very fast after a while. So on this World Yoga Day, I would really like everybody to concentrate on their mental health and make this as your priority. Because अगर आपका दिमाग स्वस्थ है तो आप खुद स्वस्थ हो, और अगर आप खुद स्वस्थ हो तो आपकी पूरी फैमिली स्वस्थ है. सो please take care of yourself. Please adapt yoga and meditation in your everyday life. I am just 30 years old, and I've started meditating when I was 22 years old. So it's been an 8 years of experience that I can talk about it, and I can definitely say that meditation gives you a lot of positivity in your life. It gives you a different perspective of your life. It opens different channels in your life where you thought that those gates were closed. So please take care of your mental health, and I would be great if this piece of advice was, if even a single person could take this piece of advice and start meditating and start taking care of their mental health. It would be just amazing, and my blogging has become successful because people are taking the whole advice of meditation and yoga and how important it is. It is really important. Once you start doing it, you'll see changes in your life automatically. So thank you so much, and I would happy World Yoga Day, and I would really like that people take this message seriously and start taking care of their body as well as their mental health. Thank you so much.